thug in me. Yeah, you know what time it is. Baby, it's my thug in me.
I was buck wild, good at my knuckle game. Made it through a tough childhood, never be the same. Walked in my daddy's shoes. No time to be a peaceful man, had to shatter fools. That's till I put my eyes on you. Goddamn, sweetheart, you got some thighs on you. Now I can't wait to get you home, get you all alone in my bedroom. Baby, can we bone and get it on? Tell me, lady, how you like me, and if you want it harder, baby, come and bite me, but do it light, cause that excites me, the lady pop. And if you lick me right, I do it all night. Only got fucked by a drug dealer, never felt the real passion of a thug nigga. Though I like the way you scream when you're loving me, I'm going deep, it's the thug in me. So what you saying, girl?
A nigga like me.
So strong, niggas in the next room will come. I got the head swinging. Come kissing as I hit it from the back with the bed ringing. Give me space as I lick your face. Stick the place synchronized so I grind when they kick the bass. Love fucking in the morning. I get you wet and bust a sweat, then I'm gone. Left you on your own, girl. Tell me what you feel like. Blindfolded, I'm cold, do it real nice. As if you feel right, baby, it's the thug in me. I pull your hair while we fucking in the chair when you're loving me up against the wall. You can have it all, just try, but my kiss can get you high. Don't pass by. Grab me by my nuts when I'm loving you. Now open up and let me put the thug in you.
A nigga like me. A lady like you.
Baby, it's the thug in me.
That I wanna put it in you. A nigga like me. I need a thug lady like you.
Baby, it's the thug in me.
That I wanna
Baby, it's the thug in me.
Baby, what's your phone number? Be warned, I'm like a storm with my own thunder. I make the room rumble in and out, long stroke. Hold your breath now, close your eyes deep though. Did you like it? Ooh, I'm excited. Cause it's a party in my bedroom, you're invited. Come on now, let me see you shake your rump. Tell me, how long will it take to come? Having fun, do it 101, that we can all get involved. First y'all do me, then I fuck y'all. You call me the next day to get sex by a nigga in the best way. Yeah, baby, it's a price to pay. Only play in the fast lane. When you a hustler, motherfucker cascade. I got you going wild cause I'm loving you. Drugged out with this motherfucking thug in you.
a nigga like me. A lady like you. That I wanna put it in you. A nigga like me. A lady like you. That I wanna get to you. A nigga like me. A lady like you. That I wanna put it in you. A nigga like me. Need a thug lady like you. That I wanna get to you.
I don't want no explanation. I don't got no motherfucking explanation. You know what I'm saying? Don't ask me why I'm putting it in. No mercy. What you scared of? Did you come over here to get fucked? You ain't come over here to get all that bullshit. You came over here to get fucked. I ain't fucking thug style, bitch. You leave my house talking about Tupac ain't serving. Won't have me crossed up in that bullshit. Turn over. Maybe it's the thug in me.